To engage in trading on MarginX using the Keplr wallet, it's essential first to add the FX Core blockchain and ensure you have some FX tokens. Follow these steps to set up your Keplr wallet. If you haven't installed Keplr yet, visit keplr.app and download the wallet for your browser. This tutorial uses the Chrome extension version. By default, the Keplr wallet showcases tokens from the Cosmos ecosystem, but FX Core is not included initially. To add FX Core, go to the Keplr wallet menu and select Add More Chains. This action opens a list of non-native chains. In the search bar, type FX to find the FX Core chain. Click on Add to Keplr to include FX Core in your wallet. You'll need to approve this addition within the Keplr wallet interface. After adding FX Core, it might not appear immediately in your wallet's list of chains. Return to the menu and select Manage Chain Visibility. Find the FX chain in the list and click on the blue tick next to it to make it visible. Now FX Core should be visible when you access your Keplr wallet. Before trading on MarginX, you must acquire some FX tokens. If you're within the Cosmos ecosystem, you can easily swap any Cosmos tokens for FX using Osmosis or the FX bridge. Visit osmosis.zone and launch the app. Then connect your Keplr wallet. Choose the token you wish to exchange for FX. In this example, we'll swap ATOM for FX. After the swap, go to your assets in Osmosis, find your FX tokens, and withdraw them to FX Core. Select the amount and approve the transaction. You can also do this at FX Bridge as well. Navigate to the Bridge section in MarginX and connect your wallet. Select the originating chain, example Cosmos Hub or Osmosis, and the destination chain as FX Core. Choose the token you wish to bridge, example FX Osmo ATOM. Remember, having FX tokens in FX Core is a prerequisite for trading on MarginX. In our next video, we'll explore how to use the swap feature on MarginX to buy meme tokens.